Right now we got these addresses. Someone asks your web, what is your website? You can directly give this. This is actually, it's a blog, but still that is a website. Now you have, yes.
I tried to change the language as you said, but it didn't work.
So you have to reload that, start from the beginning, right? So
Okay,
after changing, start from the beginning, right? After changing the language, because if you keep singular language, when you are starting blogging, like let's say you click the singular language, and when you start writing blogs, yes, you can write that, right? You can write that, but here, so let me refresh and show you. So everything will be displayed in this one. So since I have already changed that, it's not appearing there. But normally, if you change the language, it is basically change the interface here to singular. Then when you're going to create these things and all, it won't work properly, right? So therefore, that's why I said, please use English language in your web browser. Don't change it to singular. So you have to use English language, and then, right, then the Google settings will be in English, and then you can easily work with that. When you go to view blog, you can see the address, and this is it. And if you want to write something, then how do you write this? Here you can see
Going
there's
to new
something called
post.
new post. Yes, you can write new post. You can go to new post, and then you can type the title of your post. Making, okay, let's say I'm writing beautiful places in Sri Lanka. Then I can type an article. This is like Word, right? අපි word processing ඉගෙන ගත්තනේ. ඒ වගේ තමයි. You can maybe write this, maybe, okay, let's insert number 1. And let's type Sigiriya. Then, so you can make it, select it, make it bold. And if you want, here, let's change this to the compose view, right? So you have HTML view, I'm changing it to the compose view. Okay, Sigiriya. So then I'm going to make it center aligned, bold, and font size larger, heading font. And then I need a picture of Sigiriya where I can insert from here. I can browse photos, I can upload from computer, I can type the URL. Okay, let me download a picture and upload it. Sigiriya. And I'll go to images. And I like this image and I'm going to download that. After loading the image, I can right click on the image. I have to load the image first, then right click on the image, save image as. We learned this in previous day, right? Sigiriya, and save it in desktop. Gonna save karagatta image. After that, I can go to insert image, upload from computer, and upload that image of Sigiriya. Choose file. Then I can select the image of Sigiriya, which I have recently downloaded, and in the desktop. Then I can, okay, it's uploading now. It will take some time to upload because this image. After uploading, it will come to your page. Okay, I'll help doing this, right? I have just demonstrated, but if you're having issues, I can help. Still, I didn't get links from these students. Still, I didn't get links from these students. Okay, I'm selecting this now, select, and it will come to my page. So I can just make it larger. Right, good. And then I can write a small article about that. It's an ancient kingdom by King Kashyap. You can write some more details, right? I'm just typing some details. You can type more. And after that, what you have to do? Publish. After
So,
writing this, you can publish it.
so I got a problem.
Yes, Nithun, what is that?
So can I share my screen to show it?
Wait, I'll give you chance, but before that, I have published this now. After publishing, where it goes, I can visit my blog again, and then I can see here Sigiriya. It will automatically come to my page. Now it has beautiful places in Sri Lanka, and it's Sigiriya. And others, your friends can come and post comments, right? If they like this, if they like your article, after share, because your website is this one, you can share this with your friends. You can WhatsApp this to your friends. Now you know your website. This is it. I got only 5 still, right? But I think still some are yet to receive.
So can you help me with my problem?
Okay, okay. So quickly share it.
Sir, I am Venuri. I sent my blogger link.
Yeah, I got
So,
it. I got it.
so I went to google.com. Then it's in English now.
Yeah, because now we have changed it.
Yes, sir, it was in the it was same in the first place. Now after
Now
going
go
to
to
the
the blogger.
blogger, it's also in Sinhala.
Is it in Sinhala?
Yes, it's
So select this triple මේ මෙතන තියෙන්නේ මේ ඉරි තුනක් එක select කරන්න. Can you see? I cannot see that. Can you see when you click that? That is only coming, right? Please scroll down and check whether you can change the language in the bottom.
no, sir.
Even in Sinhala. Go to සැකසීම කියලා තියෙන අර ඒ සැකසීම කියන්නේ settings නේ. එන්න ඒකට යන්න බලන්න. එතන බලන්න තියෙනවද කියලා ඉංග්‍රීසි එක. පල්ලෙහාට යන්න බලන්න.
So I couldn't scroll down from here.
අච්චරද පෙන්නන්නේ. කියවීම් ලයිස්තු සේවා නියම ඔය තියෙන ටික පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න ගිහිල්ලා මම සිංහලෙන් තියෙන එක හිතා ගන්න බෑ ට්‍රාන්ස්ලේෂන් එක කොහොමද එන්නේ කියලා. එතනින් නෙවෙයි. සේවා නියම කියන එකට යන්න බෑ. ඔය උතන තියෙන පොඩි පොඩි links පල්ලෙහා තියෙනවනේ සේවා නියම කියලා. So since this is coming in Sinhala, like, okay, so just type in the URL. Otherwise, just there's another way. Just type in the URL like this. After the blogger.com, please type language. Just erase the other things. No. අනිත්‍යව මකන්න blogger.com වලට පස්සේ ඉරි කැලේ තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ just type language dot g enter. Language LANGUANGE. Oh, it's not there, right? This was there in the old version, but seems that problem still comes. I think I have to remotely log and check what can be done. So the problem comes with the Sinhala font. I think that is the main issue. Okay, I'll check that. This is I think it will take more time if it is like I'm going to change that, but because I have not used. Yes. here in the settings, I can see the block
Sir, I
language is
want to.
English. But here I can see the block language. So, but I'm not sure whether you can. So please go to the settings and see. So can you go to this link? I'm sending this link. So can you go to this link? Can you try to go to this link if possible? There, can you see the language?
So it's still loading.
Still loading.
Wait.
Yes. Yes. Anyone else having problems? Other problems other than this?
No, so it's the same place and the thing, same thing.
Mhm. So when you go to the settings, same thing, right? So this is what you see basically. This is what you see. That is in Sinhala, right? So that is the problem. Okay, I'll find a solution. Maybe I'll tell it in the practical individual session because this is like only affecting you, right? So try to, I think, so when I go there, I can see the language settings, but in your one, not possible. Yeah, I can change.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, we don't.
Sir, I have a problem.
You have the language problem again, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyone else? Others, I think others have sent that, right? Others have sent that. Suhara, yes. Udamsa. Okay, I got these websites. Others. So what's the issue of others? Anita, issues manad. Other than the language issues, okay, there are some other people, no? Right? Then mama identify karagattane language problems. Deකට mang udaw karannang wala dennata. Veron ge kahari, Amaya ge kahari, Jaindi. What has happened, Jaindi? Your one. Jaindi. Jaindi, can you talk?
Sir, today my connection is not good, actually.
All right. Okay. So then you have to do this, right? Then
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, මට sir හම්බුණා language කියන එකක් blog එකේ තිබිලා screen share කරන්නද මම?
Hari, share කරන්නකෝ බලන්න. Rovinu, what has happened, Rovinu? Have you sent that? Rovinu?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, that is template language, right? So which one you are referring to?
Okay, sir.
So that is template.
excuse me.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So template language, you can see change in that, but I don't think that it will help you doing this. So there's another place to change that, but I cannot remember it now. Okay, so now, so others who's not having problems, can you try to edit, actually add a new post to your blog, as I said. So go to new post and no need to add image එකක් ඕන නැහැ, but just try to write a new post and publish it. Just want to see that is there in your blog. Okay, I'm going to write whose one.
I published 3.
All right, you have published already. Okay, so let me see that. So this is Veron's one. When I click, yes, yes, Veron has done something. He has published. Manuk, yes, Manuk just published video games. You can type more. Manuk can add images. Suhara, yes, Suhara also added something related to computer science. She has changed the theme also. Very good. And this is Amaya. Yes, she has also added a point.
Now I publish another.
Okay, sure, publishing and publishing. Okay. But this is Shevin. Shevin is also doing. He's writing about himself. Okay, there's a personal blog, and this is Udamsa. Udamsa, I think you can add a new post, right? You can also add a new post. Others has done that. Others have done that. That's good.
Sir,
Yes.
how we add the image?
Image you have to either download or add from a URL. First of you can upload if it is there in your computer. Okay, computer එකේ තියෙනවනම් ඔයාලට ඒක upload කරන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. Can you share the screen? I'll tell you that. Damsa, can you share the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to add image? You can upload that from your computer if you have any. ඔතන තියෙන image කියලා icon එකක්. Can you see that this one? You can click on that and upload an image. එතනින් upload කරන්න පුළුවන්. Upload from your computer. Okay, let's say choose file then. After that, choose file. Then you can go to the maybe C Windows, C වල තියෙනවා C drive එකට යන්න. Go to C drive. Windows XP C කියලා තියෙනවා එක. 64 Win XP C ද මොකක්ද එකක් තියෙනවා නේද? I can see that in the corner. Here C drive. ඒකේ තියෙනවා Windows කියලා folder එකක්. Inside Windows folder there's a folder called web. Go inside, open that, and then inside that you can see there's another folder called web. Just scroll down and you can see there's another folder called web. Web කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා උතන. Inside that you have something called wallpaper. Further තව ගොඩක් යන්න බලන්න. තව යන්න W එකට එනකම් මම තාම P නේ. ඔය තියෙන web. Inside web you have wallpapers. Wallpaper filter. Just open that. And inside that I think you can see some wallpapers. Flowers. Go to flowers. Okay, open it and you can add some image from there. එහෙම නැත්නම් you have to download. Select an image and open it. මොකක් හරි select කරලා open කරන්න. Or you have to, otherwise you have to download image from internet and edit. Open it.
Okay, sir.
Right. Select and open it, and then that will come to the block, and after that select, and you can use the select button in the bottom. Select the image and select button in the bottom. That image will come to your screen. Okay, that's how you add that. Right. Others who are having problems, there's a tutorial. I'll send that to you. Just go through that and try to change the language first. Because of this Sinhala language settings, that's why it's not coming to your screen. Okay, I'll send you that video about changing the language, because I have not done this for some time, so I cannot remember that. Sorry for that. Both of you can fix the problem by changing the language, right? Others who are having issues, you can change this problem by changing the language. Okay, so now what we have learned today, as a summary, what we have learned today, we learn about sorry, not about this. We learn about blogging, and we learn about how to create on blog, on website. Actually, this is just the first day. Next day I'll teach you how we can, right? Next day I'll teach you how we can upload this, how we can upload content, videos, and edit this. Actually, my idea is to conduct a practical class on Thursday. So that is for all grades, important practicals, because practical is very important thing. So I'm thinking of doing that in the Thursday. That's why I'm trying to shift my theory classes to Monday. So those who are having issues doing that, so I'll try to give you a solution. So I think 2 of you having problems which you cannot come on Monday. So I'll try my level best to solve that, because I think within the practicals. You try to change your classes. Yes?
සර් මේ වෙලාව චුට්ටක් වෙනස් කරගන්න බැහැ.
මේ වෙලාව තියෙන එකද? හවස් වෙලාද කලින්ද දාලා? ඔව්. ඒක චේන්ජ් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක මම බලන්න මම ඒක කතා කරලා කියන එක වෙනස් කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. මොකද Thursday class එක මම shift කරනවා Mondayට. එතකොට ඒ ප්‍රශ්නේ එන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි අර දෙන්නෙකුට issue එකක් තියෙන හින්දා මට ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න වෙනවා. ඔයාලා දෙන්නත් චුට්ටක් බලන්න පුතේ. You try to like talk with other teachers and try to change it if possible. So it's very easy to do that. Otherwise, like I have to keep both classes, right? Because you are affected no otherwise. Therefore, I have to keep both classes. Right, okay, then see you all next week. Good night.
Good night, sir. God bless you.
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.